Hello, we are Levu Executives. Have you ever wondered how executive coaching can transform leadership within your organization and empower your executives? At Levu Executives, we believe that every leader has unlimited potential. Our executive coaching program is designed to unlock that potential, providing your executives with the tools and strategies they need to excel. We begin with an in-depth assessment to identify each executive's strengths and areas for improvement. The coachee selects the coach with whom they feel most identified and comfortable. Then we work one-on-one to develop key skills, set clear goals, and create a personalized action plan. Our program can support career transitions or taking on new responsibilities and challenges. Our executive coaching not only enhances leadership skills, but also helps manage stress, make effective decisions, and motivate teams. The result is more confident, efficient leadership that inspires others, leading to higher performance and cohesion within the organization. Our clients have seen significant improvements in their executive team's performance and workplace environment. With Levu Executives, you'll have continuous support to ensure that positive changes are sustainable and long-lasting. Contact us today to learn more and discover how we can help your executives achieve success and transform your organization.